So here we have the review of the Honda CRF250F. Now don't get mixed up trail bikes and motocross bikes. For me, motocross bikes are designed for the racetrack. They have the latest technology in terms of suspension and brakes, and the motors are very, very sharp. This is a dirt bike. This is like a trail bike. So motocross bikes to one side, this belongs in the trail bike family. Now it doesn't have a headlight, so it's not road legal. So this is a type of motorcycle that you just take to an OHV area, just somewhere where you can go ride out in the desert or the trails. This is that type of bike. For me, it's a real family bike as well. Many age groups and also skill levels can ride this bike. It's so user-friendly. So what makes it so user-friendly? Well, first of all, it's that engine. It's very, very tractable. It's a simple, fuel-efficient, reliable engine, and it's got a lot of power at the bottom, so loads of torque, and with that, very awesome throttle response, very soft. Ooh, probably gonna move it tight there. If you're an experienced rider, you could give it a good old thrashing, and it likes to be revved. If you're a beginner and you're just starting out, then there you go. You've got something that's also very rideable.
Yeah, like I said, some nice power in the bottom.
It's got a very soft power band, so like I said, really suiting lots of skill levels and age groups. Now, what I really love about this motorcycle is its simplicity. It's just a very simple motorcycle, and what you get back from that is nothing but fun and enjoyment. I've had this now on long-term loan all summer from Honda, and it's been a real awesome bike. I've taken it on so many trips, so many trails with friends. I've got other people riding, and everybody loves it. It's a great motorcycle. Now, it hasn't got the latest suspension or anything like that, so that's probably where it's very different from the motocross bikes, not only in its engine performance but also in the suspension. Simple suspension it does have, but it's good. So it soaks up all of those bumps. It's only when I was riding really hard and probably hitting obstacles that were a little on the aggressive side that then I got the suspension bottoming out. The rest of the time it just soaked it up, and I was able to just do anything from like really small technical sections on this bike to blasting down trails and holding it wide open. So the suspension was awesome. The riding position, very motocross bike, so narrow seat, narrow gas tank, upright handlebars. So you're very much in that stance to be able to tackle anything. Very soft clutch. I've told already about the throttle response, but also a nice light throttle. So everything here that's you're going to enjoy about riding a motorcycle. It's very simple, like I've said, but everything works really, really well. Honda do a full range of trail bikes. This is the 250, the biggest one in the trail bike family. But if you were the type of rider or a family guy, or you want to be able to share your motorcycle with your son or your daughter or your wife or whatever, this is that type of motorcycle. It's a type of motorcycle for me that's just super user friendly. You're just always going to walk up to it and just going to fire right up. These types of motorcycles, I just feel like they're worth every penny. You enjoy them, you get out there, you get out in the dirt, you can really enhance your own skill level because you can do all kinds of things with bikes like this, right from beginner to expert.
Okay, here we go.
It's superb. I really enjoyed riding it. It's just a simple motorcycle. It sounds nice, it rides great. It's really fuel efficient. It might not have the biggest gas tank, but it lasts all day. And also for a dirt bike now, it gets even better because it doesn't even have a kickstart. It's just turn of the key, hit a button, and she fires right up. Brake wise, it's really well braked as well. Lots of feel back through your foot and the front brake, so good brakes, good dirt bike brakes. Overall, it's a very simple machine, it's a fuel efficient machine, it's a reliable bike, it's easy to ride, and it's nothing but pleasure. It puts a smile on your face. I love dirt biking. This for me has been nothing but an absolute gem to ride. If you're looking at maybe just getting on a dirt bike for the first time, but you ride on the street, look at this bike. This is an ideal platform to start. and you can go a long way with it. There are more performance orientated motorcycles out there, but this for me is a really user-friendly motorcycle, and it's definitely a motorcycle to share. It gets a massive thumbs up. It's a simple, fuel efficient, reliable machine, and you're gonna have nothing but fun on it. Honda CRF250F, awesome.
Dirt biking! So much freedom to be had. I'm pretty sure you can find good dirt biking somewhere around every city, suburbs, where just like an hour outside of the city of Los Angeles,